and welcome back. So the holidays are fast approaching, and so to help everyone to get in the spirit of Christmas, I want to invite everyone to join me in a holiday home for the holidays DIY decor challenge. So the rules are you can do a DIY or two, or you can DIY in style like I love to do, or you can simply do a room tour. So you have three options here. This is open to anyone that would like to participate. I'm going to ask that you guys have your videos ready by November 21st. All you have to do is come back to this video. I'll have a playlist ready for you. And so yeah, very simple. Hopefully everyone will participate. It's a great way to meet other YouTubers. If you guys do YouTube videos, it's a great way to gain subscribers. So for today's video, I have created a few DIYs to help you get in the mood for Christmas. Now these DIYs are really quick, simple, and affordable DIYs that I feel like anyone can do. So if you guys are interested in seeing these DIYs, just keep on watching. I'm going to be going in with this cardboard tree that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and it was on sale for 50% off. I'll be taking it out to the garage to spray paint, and I'll be painting it gold. Next, I'll be going in with this large glitter, and it is from Michaels. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I'll be going in with these gold sequins, and they are from Michaels. So I'm just placing my sequins wherever I see a large empty space. I don't want to cover up all of the base gold color behind the sequins, just to place them so that it gives a little bit of a surprise element. So right here, I'm just showing you guys how I styled my trees on top of the DIY console table that I created. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the cards. For my next DIY, I'll be going in with this wooden box that I picked up from Target. So here you see that I have spray painted my piece silver. Also, you'll notice that you're able to still see the flower artwork from the previous painting. Now, if you don't like this look, you can always sand your piece down before you spray paint it. I'll be going in with this silver ribbon, and it is from the Dollar Tree. I'm just making sure all the ribbons are tight before I go ahead and secure them down with hot glue. DIY, I'll be going in with these candles that I already had, and I'm just going to spray paint them gold. I'll be going in with fine glitter and Mod Podge, and that's it. This is a really simple, easy way to dress up any old candles that you might have for the holidays. Before I remove my fall decor, I wanted to give you guys a quick look at how I style my coffee table for the fall. So yeah, here it is. Guys, I bought these floral picks from Michaels, and so I'm going to try and see how they look inside of my vase. And so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know because I know someone will ask. I picked up these foam balls from Hobby Lobby, and they were on sale for $2. I'll be going in with this iridescent fine glitter. I'll be going in with these tea light holders to help hold up the foam balls. Next, I'll be going in with iridescent tube confetti from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to continue this process until my balls are completely covered with the tube confetti. I picked up this plate from Home Goods, and it was $5.99. I'm going to be using this candle stand that I already had. So right here, I've just placed my DIY snowballs as well as some DIY ornaments that I made last year and just made a beautiful arrangement. I'll be going in with this candle holder that I already had. I'll also be adding these picks that I already had. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. If you guys like this little video, please subscribe to my channel as well as hitting the notification bell and the thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.